Hi, chat! Welcome to another stream. Lotfi, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Let's see. It is about to be the 17th of December in 2020, as we're about to solve day 17 of Advent of Code. And, oh man, I've had a long day. I unfortunately did not get my nap that I said I was going to do done, so yeah. I'm hoping today's not a real mind melter, so hopefully today goes well. We'll see. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. I'll put this on this screen. Oh my goodness, there's so much chat already. Michaela was first, as it seems to go. iSatisfied is also here. We've also got Rollers, who says, I'm so late. Hello, good to see you. Roos News, welcome to the stream and Banging Heads. Are you ready, kids? Aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, Captain. Oh. DMC8. Hey, what's up, Banging Heads? Hello. And Juice is here. Of course. How's it going, Juice Bonks? We've also got, Arrow Bounce. Roost News and Arrow Bounce. You've got the same color in my chat. I guess you're not the same color here, though. Roost News, you haven't picked a color yet. Pick a color. Milky hasn't picked a color either. How's it going, Milky? Pow! Oh, I forgot to turn on the keyboard. Dang. I was recording right before this, so that's why I forgot to turn it on. Let me activate. There we go. But how y'all doing today? Yolo Schmo's here as well, and the Endless River. Hello. I miss naps. Yeah, me too. 11st. Also, Juice was supposed to come over and feed Antoine, but did not. It's true. Goddamn Twitch. And their fucking bullshit. If for those of you that didn't watch, as I didn't watch the thing this morning, apparently the word that starts with S and rhymes with imp is now banned on Twitch. So we can no longer say that. Which is a little bit interesting. Right, Rollers? Right? But yeah, apparently that's another thing. Hey, what's up, Tanabiff? Good to see you again. Welcome back. It's true, Juice. No one can call you an S word. We can just say Sims now. Yeah, welcome to the channel, Sims. Hey, what's up, Evan Ditto? Hello. All I want for Christmas is another assembly language puzzle. I kind of like those. I'm down. Biotechnics says, wait, what? Yeah, they decided. Thank you for the gift subs, Juice Sim Hero. 5 gift subs to Aerobounce, Isbrick, Clear Hunch at 2 months, Leaf Me, and Siberian Lumberjack. Welcome to Symptom Chat. And everyone can thank Juice for the 95 subs that have been gifted in this channel. How often do you tilt that keyboard camera towards your... what? More drama? What? No, the keyboard camera stays in the same spot, Michaela. But yeah. Oh man, now I can't be Juice's #1 S word, says iSatisfied. I guess the way that goes. Welcome to Town. I wonder what the TTS is gonna say. Oh, I got one of the 2020 gifts. 2020 partnered. It's true. S asterisk P-Town. Tanbiff says, do you have any experience with machine learning? I do not. I don't think you're allowed to say subdim either. Shit. Super Tux, welcome to the stream. 2020 partner. What a dope emote. It's true. I think I found my new favorite emote for the next month. Which one, Aerobounce? Oh, the carpet one? Oh, yeah. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Data says, is there a bonk counter? There is 2 bonk counters. There's top 10 bonked. Oh, maybe it's top 5 bonk. What is it? What is the command? Top 5 bonked. There we go. And then what is the other one? There's one for bonkers. Top 5 bonkers. There we go. And Michaela's at the top of both of them, as expected. Oh, shoot! We gotta get set up! Ah! Okay, let me get set up. Let's code ASC 2020 CP- day 00 to day 17. That'll be part 1. We're all set up there. I don't think... Wait, what day is today? It's the 17th? I don't think we'll see an assembly problem until tomorrow. I'm just gonna call that out. I think the 18th day we'll see an assembly problem. I don't think we're gonna get it for day 17. Why? No idea. That's just what I'm predicting. Day 17, PyTest part 1, and Python part. Oh, I should do part 2 first. PyTest part 2.py, and Python part 2.py, and then we can FC 2 to 1. Yes, yes. And then we can download input 2020 17, and we're ready to go. I don't think I've watched a stream without Michaela being bonked, says I'm a Deno. It's probably about right. I'm not much of a bonker at all. Oh my god, the car alarm's going off. My god. I didn't throw the brick through his window yet, so... I hope it goes away. Airbound says, I'll be lurking now. May or may not chat after I'm done. Sounds good. Well, I'll see you on the other side. So they ban Samp, but they don't ban Karen. Nice. It's the... at least they announced the rule change after September. Are we still allowed to say simple, or... This isn't even the scheduled car alarm time? It's true, it's true. It's not 6 in the morning. Beginbot says, I'm super confused. Am I not allowed to stream anymore as a virgin? Can I still... ruin all the AWC memes, right? Right? Juice says, Beginbot, have you ever tried not... Oh wait, is that a word I can't say either? Oh, you're right. That is one of the words that they banned also. They've banned all virgins from Twitch. The Struggling Black, thank you for the raid. Welcome to the stream, Raiders. What were you working on today? Let me give... Oh, there we go. Let me give you a shout out so that my viewers can check out your channel as well, but welcome to the stream. More tech. Hello, hello. I've been getting into censored lewds lately, so Twitch is just helping me out. Oh no, Michaela. Oh no. Okay, we have 6 minutes to go until the puzzle unlocks. If they did that, science and tech would get way less competitive. Which thing? Oh, they banned all virgins. Yeah. Yes, I'm about to do Advent of Code. We're about to do day 17. I've done all the previous days, the Struggling Black, and I post solutions up on my YouTube channel, so if you want to check out explanations for any of the problems, I upload them there. I also upload educational content on my previous streams up there as well. But welcome to the stream. Were you working on Advent of Code as well? How do I speak? Very Chad move of Twitch. Wait, Anthony's tired, right? This is the perfect time to make him laugh until he cries. Yes, you're right. I am susceptible to the cry laughs. She says, I gotta work and tune out for the new spoilers at 9. I was just learning about Fast API. Oh, Fast API is pretty cool. I have actually not worked with it yet. Thank you for the bits, Juice. I actually haven't written anything with Fast API yet, but it the API is very similar to Flask, which I've done a ton of work in Flask. In fact, this looks exactly the same as Flask. But I haven't done anything with Fast API yet, so I am looking forward to using it at some point, but I haven't done that yet. I like how they hide the async code. They're like, or you could use async def. But you don't have to, right? If you don't know, check the in a hurry section about async and await in the docs. It's, I feel like they're going for like an await pun here, but it's, I don't know. I think it's missing a little bit. 2 more gift subs to Epsilon and Roost News. Thank you, Juice. Thank you, Juice. Hide the async code from the kids. It's true. It's true. I'm only one. Wait, Kevin has more. Kevin has like 95 gift subs than the. What? How does Kevin have so many gift subs? That's insane. Plasma Orb says requests could use async await. Don't use requests. Don't use requests. Use HTTPX. It already has async await, and it's way better. Out S-rating Kevin. Oh, you mean for the month? Oh, okay. I was gonna say I didn't think Kevin had I didn't think Kevin had that many gift subs of all time, but I think you're winning all time. What about AAO HTTP? I mean AAO HTTP is fine, but I don't know. If you're looking for requests, use HTTPX. Just in general. The request feels like home. I'm safe there. Well, teach their own, I guess. I feel like you're struggling to say AIO HTTP. AIO HTTP. AIO HTTP. AIO HTTP. HTTP. But every Python tutorial ever. Burn them all! My friend, gotta go. Good luck with AOC. Well, thanks for stopping by, Juice. Have fun on your late night work. You busy bee. I'm bringing Tofu over tomorrow. Be prepared. Oh no. I feel like involving liquid cooling your HP library is overkill. Or overcool. I'm in a mood right now. Dragon Slayer says, almost woke up too late for AOC. Well, that would have been unfortunate. I don't know how you would have maintained your leaderboard position, Dragon Slayer. I think I chat plotted enough to not be negative slope for AOC. Hey, what's up, Sammy Voss? Hello. Good morning and good luck. I guess you are in the land of Europe, where it is morning, and not the land of the US, where it is night. Calvega says, what leaderboard position are you in AOC? I'm not in the top 100 right now, but on my personal leaderboard, I am second. Oh, that's not the personal leaderboard. This one. I am just behind T-Mod T. I fell a lot because of day 15. Where my brain was borkened. It was all messed up. I had a real hard time thinking about the problem for day 15, even though it ended up being dead simple. Maybe it was 14. I don't know. A couple days ago. The one with the number game. That one I got super balls up on. But I don't know. If I keep beating T-Mod T, we might be able to get it. Maze Day, says Polioso. Might be Maze Day. You have too much energy for not obtaining a nap. You know, realistically, I'm probably just gonna crash. That's how this is gonna go. Or I'm just not gonna think straight. I'm just gonna be delirious and silly and programming. Maze Day, please no. I think I'd be fine with a Maze Day. I'm ready to do some depth first search, some breadth first search. Every day is a Maze Day in this stream. Oh. It's true. Everybody remember to pee before AOC unlocks. Oh no! No, I peed before the stream started. We're good. I'm ready. I'm prepared. Whew. Goodbye, stream. I'll miss you. Well, thanks for stopping by, Dragon Slayer. I'll see you after the solve. Assuming you solve it, right? Eric says, ready? I'm as ready as I'm gonna be. I'm a little bit hyper for no good reason. Probably because I'm tired. So, I mean, I can't be more ready. So, I guess I could be less ready, but given all the inputs, I think we're at as about ready. Oh, I should scroll down. Ah! Okay, we're good. Python plus Microsoft Excel. I think we would do SQLite. Oh shit, I'm supposed to press the button. Ah! Alright, let's go. Coordinates, 3-dimensional coordinates. Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Initial state of pocket dimension. Single cube which is either active or inactive. Okay, cubes. Small thought region of cubes, your puzzle input. The cubes in this region start with a specified active or inactive state. It sounds like a map problem. Energy source then proceeds to boot up 6 cycles. Each cube only ever considers its neighbors. Any of the other 26 other cubes. Oh, what? Oh yeah, 27 minus 1. Okay, so this is this a 3-dimensional Conway's Game of Life? It is. Yes, it's a 3-dimensional Conway's Game of Life. The energy responsible for this experimental energy source would like you to simulate the pocket dimension and determine what the configuration of cubes will be at the end of the 6-cycle boot process. My guess is we're going to have to do like a 6 billion after that. Consider this initial state. Even though the pocket dimension is 3-dimensional, this initial state represents a small 2-dimensional slice of it. In particular, this initial state defines a 3x3x1 region of this 3-dimensional space. Simulating a few cycles from this initial produces the following configurations, where the result of each cycle is shown layer by layer at the given C coordinates. Oh, so it's gonna go outwards from that. After the full 6-cycle, 112 are left in the active state. Okay, so that's our answer. Alright, 3-dimensional Conway's Game of Life. Let's go. Alright, I think we got this. I think it's a math sorry, a pseudo map problem. Let's see. Let's say that import collections for line in lines for I guess we'll do Z up and down. Enumerate for XC in line map equal blah, 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 space collections default dict lambda dot. That's the inactivated state, right? Yes. Okay, for XC in line. Oh, maybe we don't want to do this. Maybe we just want it to be this. Yeah. Space 0 ZYX is how we're gonna do it today. Equals C. And then we need to do 6 iterations for underscore in range 6. New space is a new mapping, and we need to loop over. A cube is active and exactly 2 or 3 of its neighbors are also active. The cube remains active, otherwise the cube becomes inactive. The cube is inactive, but exactly 3 of its neighbors are active. The cube becomes active, otherwise the cube remains inactive. Before any cycles, Z equals 0. After 1 cycle, these 2 are active, and so 2 or 3 are active, then the cube remains active. The cube is inactive, but exactly 3 of its neighbors are active, then a cube becomes active. Okay, so this one becomes active, and the one below this one becomes active. Yeah, which is this one. Why does this one become active below this one? 27 should be all of these. Ooh. Thinking might be necessary, yes. Okay, how's this gonna work? We need to only consider the... I think I'm gonna try and approach this like I did the other one, where we're marking and then sweeping. So we do actually need collections. Marked equals collections dot counter. Don't typo that one. For ZYX C in space dot items, if C is equal to this, I find it interesting. How do we expand out the space? How does the pocket dimension expand? Or do we just ignore anything? I think we just ignore anything that's not a dot. So we really just have to keep track of the octothorpes. If C is equal to octothorpe, then we do this. So then we need to consider everything around it and figure out and mark based on those. So we know that they're all these, so we can do that. And for zi in range in -1, 0, 1, for y. You thought the for loops went deep in the other problem. Oh, we're just getting started, chat. Oh boy. If zi equals yi equals xi equals 0, then continue. But we need to mark the counters. Marked z plus zi, y plus yi, x plus xi plus equals 1. And we will make this a tuple just so it is more readable. And then the cube is active and exactly 2 or 3 of its neighbors are also active, the cube remains active. Otherwise, the cube becomes inactive. So we need to go over all of the existing conditions and check its position if it's 2 or 3 in the counted. This is easy. This is really easy. It's inactive, but exactly 3 of its neighbors are active. The cube becomes active. Otherwise, the cube remains inactive. Okay, so we need to loop through everything that has 3. For kv in marked dot items, if v equals 3, then new space equals a dictionary, new space k equals octothorpe, and then we also need to loop through all of these ones. For k in original space, if marked k in 2, 3, then new space k is equal to octothorpe, and then space equals new space. So then at the end of this, we need to return space. We need to just, I think it's len space, because we don't store any dots. We should assume everything else is dots. Bug. Undefined named lines. I, for whatever reason, deleted my split lines. There are not enough things to unblock. This should be enumerate. Oh, give me those points. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Okay, what do we gotta do bird to? 4 spatial dimensions. Okay. So 4 dimensions now. That's not bad. It's actually pretty easy. We should be able to get points for the second part too. Okay. 0, 0. My problem doesn't generalize well to that, but the adjustment is not so bad. W plus WI. We don't care about these down here. Are the rules any different? Each cube only ever considers neighbors any of the 80. Yeah. Okay. Let's get some fucking points! Yes. We did it, chat. We got points. So many points. That's right. I did get so many points. That felt good. Today felt good. Today felt real good. Look at all these points. Let's see if T-bot-T is done. Private leaderboard view. Oh, T-bot-T is not done. Oh, look at this shit. I'm gonna be on top. Maybe. Maybe. Now do it in SQLite. Actually, this problem wouldn't be... Did I do the other one in SQLite? I forget whether I did the other one in SQLite. What was the other day that was, That was, select star from every dimension, limit 6. Did I do the other one? Do you guys remember which day the other one was? Points! Right, aneurysm? Yo, that's so good. Okay, let me catch up on chat. Looks like Michaela triggering the think over and over and over. Oh, excuse me. Roller says, I can't believe I got stuck on having an int instead of a long last night. Wait, in what language, Rollers? Seems bad. Have a look at memorization with recursive... Oh, memoization. Yeah. The input looks like day 3, though I messed up my W get. Unlimited bytes, says Game of Life. Yeah, Conway. Conway cubes. Will I be able to do anything without knowing about math or automata? Yeah, you can do this. Or thinking. That is trying hard to get you to answer. Does it trigger on everything? It does trigger on everything, Where's X? It also triggers on thunk? Maybe thunk? The other one is non-deterministic. The Linux one, the GNU one is non-deterministic, but the think one is every single time. We spam chat will slow down Anthony's computer. It's possible, but I don't think you're gonna impact it. I think the bot is working on that chat bot. Wilson says, what is the blue thing between the hats of the keyboard? It's the fidget cube. If we put it up on one of my Pokemon devices here, you can see that it spins and it looks cool. That's about it. I have a bunch of fidget devices on my desk. I have the original Kickstarter fidget cube, which has this switch that's really loud. And so I try and keep it away from myself while I stream, because otherwise you'll just get that clicking noise all the time. I have a traditional fidget spinner, you know. It also lights up, which, whatever, lights up, looks cool. And then sometimes, this light is broken, so sometimes the light doesn't turn off, but it'll go off eventually. And then I have another fidget spinner, but it is improperly balanced, so you can see it prefers this way. It feels amazing to spin. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Anyway, fidget spinners. Fidgety toys, because I'm a fidgety boy. It loops all the way down. It's true. Look at this. Look at this. Loop, 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 loop. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, if. So many floops. That's right. That's right. Hey, what's up, Aneurysm? Hello, hello. Points, so many of them. It's true. Where's X says, wow, congrats. Yeah, I did it. I did it. This problem was good. I liked it. It was easy. Oh, there's CM Griffin Pog. That's so good. Takabao says, how did you add a fourth dimension? I added a fourth dimension by adding this 0 here, adding this W here, adding this for loop here, and adding this addition here. That was all I had to change. Oh, C sharp, I see. Conway's hypercube is 1 exploder, 2 not alliterative. Yul Schmoll says, have you used Dart? I just got started with Flutter. I used Dart when it sucked. Way back when. I haven't used it since then. Back when I used Dart, if you did print hello world, it compiled into 3,000 lines of JavaScript. And at the time I was working at Yelp, and the person who had written the largest Dart program in the world was also an intern at Yelp at the time. And he had written a very, very small game in Dart. But that was before Dart was like, you know, a big deal programming language. Eric set the MOT to MOTD. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's check this in. Python day 17 part 1.py. Who's our fast boy? Looks like it is you today. Open up our REMD. Day 17 input.text. I don't know why I typed input2.text. Get add readme, get add day 17 part 1, day 17 init, day 17 input. Git commit -m day 17 part 1. Oh my goodness, we're only 40 minutes into the stream. Need annotation for marked. Oh my pie, why didn't you notice? You are counter tuple int. It should totally know. I don't know why it doesn't know here. You would think MyPy would be able to infer, because the only assignment into this counter is using a 3-element int tuple. Like, I would want it to infer here. MyPy will probably get smarter at this at some point. But it hasn't yet. Day 17. Ugh, undefined name count. Why did I import tuple? Oh, we need counter and tuple. I'll just let the import sorter fix it. Oops. So we're gonna have to do this twice. So it split the import into 2 lines like I wanted it to. Git add the shoe commit. Day 17 part 2. A little slow, but that's kind of to be expected, I guess. Given we're dealing with a lot more points. Anyway, this is our fastest one. And what do we want to do with the rest of our time today? Or should I peace? What are we thinking, chat? Yeah, it's a Bielishmolo. Sparking was bigger than Hello World? Yeah. Being Bad says I did it before it was cool. It's true, but it really stuck back then. Amedito says, got 166 on this one, best placement ever. Your video for the last Conway puzzle helped a lot. Ooh, nice. So I'm glad that helped out. I definitely, you know, initially jumped to the mark and check approach here, which probably saved me most of my time. If I would have done the other solution with the like iterate around in a circle, I probably would have wasted a lot more time. But since this was, you know, a little fresh on the brain, this was a nice way to approach it. This is pretty whack though, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? There was another way? Yeah, there was another one earlier. Take a nap on stream? That's not gonna... Oh, yo! The carpet with the Santa hat is so good! Wait, I want to do it too. Do I just put _SA at the end? No. How do I do it? Modify an emote. This one. Oh, you can give it reindeers too? What is the rain? Oh, the reindeer looks dumb. The Santa hat is perfect though. The snowman looks dumb too. Oh, but the Santa hat is so perfect. Oh my god, I love it so much. T-Bod T! Thank you for the raid! I won again today, T-Bod T. And I got so many points. You want to see my points? Leaderboard. Personal. Look at all these points, T-Bod T. Thank you for the raid, by the way. Let me give you the shout out you deserve. T-Bod T. Damn, I was just about to feel good about how I got points. Oh, you got points too? You got points also? Man, the points must have stayed open for a while. Because I've been done for like 10 minutes. And this is what I saw when I checked. You were not done. Ah, you're back above me again. Damn it. Climb yet. But I was above you for a while. But yeah, I got points today. Feeling good. You're still on the overall leaderboard, aren't you? T-Bod T. Yeah, you're top 70. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. T-Bod T says, I beat you on part 1 and wasted a ton of time on part 2 because I was missing a comment and a 0. Wait, you beat me on part 1? Oh, I see. But then I beat you a bunch. I really want to be 69. Yeah, I was really close. I was 68 and 72, but not 69. All right, that's the unfortunate thing. But 284 points is pretty decent. What did I get in 2019? That's what I'm trying to beat, is my 2019 points. Okay, we gotta get points in like one more day to beat 2019. Holy shit, I kicked ass on 17 part 1. Oh wait, no, never mind. This is rank 93. I thought it was rank 8. I was like, damn. I really did great on that one, but no, I can't read. This, I think, is the best day that I've ever done. 37 and 15. But yeah. Day 11 was the chairs. Talent Division says, why doesn't your mark loop just add 26/80 for each entry? There's no check for the value at the neighbors. Why doesn't your mark loop just add 26/80 for each entry? I don't know what you mean, Talent Deficient. What mean? I don't know what you mean. The slowpoke is here. I mean, T-Bod T beat me on the first part, I guess. Diagram said, change the scoring to global score in the private leaderboard. You can check the total global points till date. What? How do? What do? Where? Leaderboard, private leaderboard, view. What do I do? Oh, this is 2019. Where I still haven't finished. Looks like a lot of us tapped out on day 22. I have to go back and do that at some point. But what I meant to do was 2020. What am I supposed to do? Click the ordering? By this one? Oh. Oh. Yeah, but that's where T-Bod T is really kicking my butt. All those rank zeros literally can't get better than that. For each entry in space, you just loop over the neighbors and add 1 for each. You never check the value at each neighbor that I can see. What do you mean? I'm doing a mark and then sweeping the marks. This is looping over each octothorpe. I only keep the octothorpes. And so this increments a counter around all of the things. And then I check the counters here to be 3. And then I check the previous bases to see if they're 2 or 3. Which actually, I think I only need to do 2. I think I can do equals 2. can say since I did decent in 2019. In the ordering hyperlink, you can choose the ordering option. Oh, I see. Yeah, TOT is doing well. Xavier has a lot of global points. Yeah, indeed. Octothorpe. Why is it called an Octothorpe? That's the actual name of the character. Octothorpe, another term for the pound sign, when in reality, pound sign is another term for the Octothorpe. Why is an Octothorpe called an Octothorpe? According to one origin story, the Octothorpe, people began abbreviating the Latin term for pound weight, libra pondo, as lub. They called it the Octoherp. Oh, Octothorpe, damn it. Which eventually became the Octothorpe. Octothorpe. Wait, it comes from lub? From lubs? Interesting. Lub, 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 lub. The Thorpe says TYT. Learn something new every day, indeed, indeed. It's called a half shebang. I call it the tic-tac-toe board. Get Octothorpe trending. Yeah, that would be some next level shit right there. What is this? What is this shit? That seems fake. I'm gonna call that fake. There's Wikipedia. Oh shit. A stylized version of the abbreviation LibraPondo. Pound weight. Oh. It was lubs with a thing between it. Interesting. Interesting. Had no idea. But anyway, Octothorpe. These days it's known as a hashtag. I refuse to say hashtag. I feel like hashtag is dumb. Unless you're memeing, you know. Hashtag Octothorpe. Like that. But anyway, I'm just being silly now. I need to get some sleep because the damn construction across my street woke me up at 7 a.m. this morning, which is technically legal in the county of San Mateo. There's noise ordinance for construction starts at 7 a.m., which I think is super broken. But anyway, let me do my little spiel, and then we will find someone to raid. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube. That's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can find explanations for previous days of Advent of Code, or previous streams of Advent of Code, or educational videos that I upload every day, so check those out. I normally stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. I'm also streaming every day for Advent of Code, so stop by for those. I announce my streams in two places. One of those is on Twitter. That's twitter.com/codewithanthony, and the other is in Discord, which you are free to join. We have an Advent of Code channel. We also have a beginners channel if you want to ask questions, learn about programming, etc. Oh, I have one other announcement. On Saturday, we are doing a 12-hour stream. A 12-hour stream, which is going to be a very, very long stream, and we are also going to be playing, how to link on Twitter. We're also going to be playing some Among Us with the Pogrammers during that. The Pogrammers is the Twitch team that I created. And a bunch of my friends, and it should be real fun, so stop by for us playing Among Us. And that'll be on Saturday. The game will be at Saturday at 6 p.m. The 12-hour stream, I believe, is just going to start at noon, which is my normal slot anyway. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and let us go find someone to raid.